Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I did come to see sea turtles. There are baby sea turtles eggs. Also, this is the nearest place to Colombo to see sea turtles. I don't know much about sea turtles. So there is an uncle with me who will teach me about sea turtles. So let's see.
There are 7 kind of turtles in the world.
When I go to there, I was confused.
5 of them in Sri Lanka. How many turtles we can see in Sri Lanka?
5.
5 of them. This is one of them. You can see we call it hawksbill turtle. Hawksbill turtle is most expensive and the beautiful turtle. You can see its shell is very beautiful, very colorful. Some bad people try to kill this for the shell. People use the shell for producing many jewelries, especially sunglasses. You know, sunglasses, branded sunglasses. That's very expensive. But in Sri Lanka, we can't see any production from the hawksbill shell because that is illegal. And we can see out of Sri Lanka, America, in China, but that is black market. This is, I told you that there are 5 varieties from 7 pieces. Actually, turtles can live underwater between 45 minutes and 1 hour. Every hour they come up and take oxygen. They fill oxygen into their white lungs and blood, so they can stay long time out of the water. And they have no teeth. Turtles have no teeth. They have a beak like a bird. They snap. So please don't touch because they try to snap. And they can't hear us. They have no ears. Just vibration. They realize everything through vibration. So this is 2.5 years old. It was injured from fishing net. Now it is already recovered. So our doctor, as a doctor, he a marine specialist doctor. When he come next time, he will give us a date and sign. Then we can release into the ocean. You can see its neck. It is under treatment. Like this is a loggerhead turtle. Baby, this is loggerhead. You can see. Loggerhead has a large head and very strong mouth. It can even cut our bones. Very dangerous. So it's shell injured from boat accident. You can see side shell here. It is under treatment. It's from the boat propeller. Turtles can live 100 years. How many years? Turtle can live 100 years. But loggerhead turtle die between 65 to 70 years. So it cannot live like other turtles. Yeah, 70 years. We call it either glass eye. You can see its eyes very nice like a glass. This is why we call it glass. It has big nostril. You can see. Olive-Ridley turtle is smallest variety in the ocean. It grow up to 1 meter only. It is injured from fishing net. The fishing net made of nylon. You know, have you ever seen fishing net? Made of nylon. So the nylon is very bad for the turtle skin. That's allergic. So lots of turtle we accept so many injuries from fishing. You can see its shell. This is a stone crash, side shell here, and you can see its back fins. Yeah, you can see back fins. I can see it's a very disabled turtle. Baby, this turtle cannot dive. It can't go down. Do you have any idea what's happened? This turtle eating too much plastic. You know, turtle's favorite food is jellyfish in the ocean. Which food? Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
So, underwater, when the jellyfish and plastic bags together look same, what do? They eat plastic bags. From the plastic produce gas float in the shell. So this is like a bump, like a ball, can see? Cannot go down. When we push it down, come up again. So this is very disabled. She lost one arm from shark attack, you can see. Because she can't go down for food. So be hungry always. Fish can easily attack her. So this will be not released. Stay here until die. Cannot survive in the ocean again. This is most common turtle in the world. We call it green turtle. Green turtle grow up to 1.5 meters. It's very big. This is only 8 months. It was injured from fishing net. Now it is already recovered. So it is ready to release. So we are waiting for doctor. If he give us a date and sign, then we can release. You can see. If you like, you can call. Don't touch. You can call. Don't put. Please don't drop it.
It's so heavy and it give me a big experience to my life.
She lost one arm from shark attack. Can see? So this can't swim properly. So it will be here until die. Cannot live in the ocean. You can see. You can see on the picture here, that's leatherback. Leatherback turtle we can see in Sri Lanka, but rarely. It mostly lives in Antarctic Ocean. It has no shell. It has a very thick skin, like a leather skin. It's a very thick. So it grow up to 3 meters and it weight over 950 kilograms. But green turtle, olive ridley turtle grow up to 350 kilograms. The green turtle 450 kilograms. So they all can live over 100 years. Now you can see the baby turtles. Have you ever seen baby turtles before? Yes, you can see the baby turtles. They are 2 days old babies. And they are olive ridley variety. Olive ridley baby turtles.
These are small sea turtles. Its shell and its skin is black and it's so small. Can you see him? Hello everyone, this is a small sea turtle. Can you see its mouth? It's going up and down. Can you see it? It's so small. Look at him. He's so good. It's so good also. Look at him, Tigalti. It's a small Sea turtle, tickle, tickle, tickle.
In this two tanks contains shell-injured turtles. This is one of the weekly turtle, 1.5 years old. It's injured from fishing net. And you can see one of foxbill turtle and green turtle. You already seen the green turtle. You for the already the taken pictures. Yeah. And see now you could see the turtles. All of them are female turtles. But you can see only one male here. You can see this one. If you see a long tail of a turtle, that's male. And very small turtle, we can't see, that's female. It's the male. Green turtle, 5.5 years old. There's a foxbill. I explained about foxbill. You can see its colorful shell. Especially injured from boat accident, ship accident, stone crash. This is an albino. Have you ever seen white turtle? This is white turtle. Albino turtle. Albino born 1 in 1 million. Barely can see. This is genetic disorder.
First time I saw an albino sea turtle.
They can't survive in the ocean because they are, after being albino, they are weak. They cannot live long time like same other turtles. But this is a disease. This is genetic disorder. This is an olive ridley. You can see its neck jet from. It was a big damage. Now it is getting recovery now. This is baby. This is hatching area. We bury eggs here. I can see we buried eggs 105 eggs 14th of September, and other one you can see 128 eggs under this pot. We buried 3rd of October. So it takes 2 months to babies come. They come by themselves. How many months takes to come up?
2 months.
2 months. Within 2 months they come. But you know, baby, this way we can save the sea turtle. But naturally, mother turtle come very far away from the ocean for laying eggs. After laying eggs, she back to the ocean, and she never meet her children again. That's nature. But after 2 months, babies come up. On the way to the sea, 75% babies die from sunburn.
You can visit this place to see sea turtles. It was a great learning experience for me. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.